This is probably a bad idea. Okay, that did not work whatsoever. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. We're headed off to Las Vegas, Nevada today. Bugatti Veyron exhaust. My flight takes off in 45 minutes, so we could talk all morning, but we don't want to miss it. I was not expecting the traffic jam at 2021. My flight takes off in 45 minutes. Very kind of a random side note that I mentioned in the last video. I'm starting flight school on January 4th. So come 2021, when we're going to a place like Vegas, we'll just fly our own airplane. That's gonna be so sick.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Captain Pleasure to welcome you to Las Vegas for the local time is 8:57. For your continued...
I just had like the fattest nap ever on that airplane, but welcome here to Las Vegas. It's currently 9:27 a.m. I gotta be back here at 4:30 to catch my flight back to Utah. So we have roughly 7 hours to install this exhaust. Houston says it should take 5 hours, so hopefully everything goes well. Now this right here is you get picked up in style. On cue. Did you set that up, Houston?
No, I didn't. Wow.
It's
purple is meant to be today.
Wait, I thought that was my loaner for the day. It's cold here in Vegas. I thought it was gonna be like 85 degrees.
I wish.
What's the deal? Welcome here to Royalty Exotic Cars. Oh yes, it's my trend today. Every single car we see is purple. This guy Houston always giving the homie hookup. The Bugattis never look this clean. They even cleaned the white wheels. It looks amazing. So we are headed, well, I don't really know. This might be the last cold startup with the stock exhaust. It doesn't sound good, it doesn't sound terrible, but today it's gonna sound amazing. And we go bye-bye. Oh my gosh. Okay, we gotta chill. We're gonna go to jail in Vegas today, boy. I think Houston like did a tune on this car. It's so fast right now. What did he do? I also realized Vegas is like lower in elevation, so maybe that's it, I don't know. I don't know what Houston did to this car. It is so fast now. Oh my gosh. What is going on? Wow. And welcome here to the back vault at Royalty Exotic Cars. They got more tires than they know what to do with. And then we have like a slingshot graveyard over here. Check that out. A Lamborghini, that's a V10. What is that doing? It's not terrible. It has a very distinct sound. There's just so much heat.
Oh wait, it is a vacuum in there, right?
It is. Yeah, it's got four of them.
4 vacuums.
It has a very cool note. You just need to elevate the volume. There's so much heat. Oh my gosh. Enjoy this view of the factory OEM exhaust, that monstrosity right there, because we have the Rift full titanium. You guys have seen this exhaust. Oh my goodness. The pie cuts though, look at those. I had to walk the exhaust outside because when the sun hits that titanium, it just glows. The craftsmanship is so beautiful. It's so beautiful, I tell you. And just like that, rear deck lid fully removed. It's pretty cool, the design of the Bugatti, how that piece just kind of sort of pops off. I'm not gonna say easy, but kind of sort of easy. Andy's looking at me. It was very easy. It was easy.
I'm not bleeding.
Yes. Hey, that's really the only goal, right? As long as there's not blood, we're good. I just can't get over how massive this exhaust is. We are gonna save so much weight when this thing is gone. So Andy just unclipped the V-band clamps. You guys might remember, the OGs might remember, I spent like 9 years on my Audi R8 getting those off. He did it in like 9 seconds. It's so cool to see the underside of the Bug, just this full carbon diffuser. And like I said, there's additional exhaust tips on both sides. There's actually 4 exhaust tips. That's so cool. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but unfortunately, we have a bit of an oil leak. So yeah. It's not gonna be cheap. Sorry, that was a creepy angle I just gave you guys, but it is what it is. Andy's inspecting it. What do we got?
Taste it. Yeah, taste it. No, that's...
And just like that, what? The largest stock exhaust ever fitted on anything. Check out that monstrosity. We should blow it up. Tannerite? No, we did that on my Aventador exhaust years ago. It didn't go very well. Out with the old, in with the new. The Rift titanium exhaust. Looks so beautiful in there. This should be about 1,000,000 times easier putting this in than taking that out. Oh, the moment of truth is getting close. That blue titanium. I don't know what to expect. I'm kind of sort of nervous. I know it's gonna sound good, but is it gonna sound like perfection? Whatever. exhaust straight from Bugatti. Honestly, it really should be. It has like a nice girthy sound, so yes, a girthy sound. That's a lot of heat. Ooh. Yeah, couple more. We might see flames. I don't know for sure. Later tonight, we might see flames, though, boys. It's not even the same car. That's crazy. I mean, not that the standard Bugatti sounded very good, so we weren't like up against very much. It sounds so much better, though. Oh, say that again. Say that again.
It sounds better than Houston's.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Hear that, Houston? Sorry, bro. My car's faster and sounds better. That's straight from Mario.
Whoa, don't put me on blast.
Oh, whoa, I'm not putting you on blast.
I did say that. This one, it does feel faster, and it sounds a little bit better.
A little bit. Just a little bit better. This car is so scary. Oh my gosh. It's so crazy. Oh goodness. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm scared to push down on the accelerator. It is so much faster. Oh my goodness. This car has been completely changed. Go. Just. Oh my gosh. Wow. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Whoa. It's so much faster. It is scary. It's so scary. Do it. Oh my gosh. This exhaust is just like completely transformed the car. It's so crazy fast. I cannot get over how fast this car is. Oh my gosh. Wow. Brakes. Oh, that was carbon. That was a bad idea. Thank you so much, man. Thanks, dude. This car, though, I should not be driving this car. It is so much faster.
You're definitely going to be above the 55. I think you should go to a new freeway, 75.
We need to move to a different Texas. We got to move to Texas. I think that you said roughly a 10% power gain.
I think
so
it's
we're
more.
probably pushing like 1100.
Yeah, let's call it 1200 just to be safe.
Yeah, I like being safe. 1200. Houston, your roads are all greasy though. That's what's so terrifying. This car can't get traction because your roads are covered
Isn't it
in like
fun?
olive oil.
I love it. It's so fun.
It's terrifying. Also,
It is so fun.
those are winter tires right there.
Yeah.
These guys won't stop working. They're just hustling. These are winter tires for a Bugatti Veyron from Houston. Check these out, boys. We are gonna get into so much trouble. Spin season is on the horizon. Now, if you guys were wondering, my flight took off 28 minutes ago. So, yeah, sometimes in life, right? I don't know if it'll spit flames, but I think it might. Obviously, we gotta get the engine up to temperature. It sounds so good in this echo chamber. One more time. Wow. Jeez. Whoa. Oh my gosh. The heat just like engulfed me. Wow. Okay. Vegas. That was crazy. This is take two, but off camera, you're coming to visit me in Utah. Is that right?
We are gonna come visit you in Utah because honestly, our days in Park City, which was honestly epic. It was probably the best time I've had all of 2019. And 2020, we didn't do anything. So
that was actually in 2020. But regardless,
was it really?
It was January 2020.
No way!
Yeah, it was.
Oh
It's
my
been a
gosh,
long
I
year.
felt like it was 5 years
It's
ago.
been a long year. Well, I'll see you in a year.
Absolutely. 2021.
2021, yes. I am so tired. That was a 5 a.m. flight, but welcome back to the beautiful state of Utah. If it looks like I just woke up, it's because I did. The Bugatti's gonna be back at the house in 25 minutes. Yesterday, I was complaining about Vegas because it was like 60 degrees and sunny, and well, I don't know what's going on in Utah. I think this is sleet. And yes, if you guys are wondering, I'm wearing the same clothes as yesterday. I don't know why you'd be wondering. Yes, I do smell bad, but I skipped my flight yesterday. I didn't realize. So yeah, we're headed back to the warehouse because the bug's gonna be there in 5 minutes. Well, would you check this out? Right on cue, right on time, every time. How do you guys do it? I don't know how they do it. Oh, say that again. Look at this. Charlie is hustling. Wow.
This is what good friends do, James.
This is the kind of service you can expect from Wheat Electric. They also have Wheat Moving and Sons, right?
That's right.
That's not actually real. You guys, yeah, they don't. They could, but they don't. Well, we're getting some good upgrades here in the warehouse. You guys might remember the lights a couple days ago were not functioning properly, and it just looks ugly in here. I look ugly, don't I, Charlie?
Oh, you look great. Don't worry.
Oh, he's a nice guy. Charlie, what's up, dude? Welcome to the channel. So Charlie is actually my friendly neighbor. We've been raising a couple times, and he also owns Wheat Electric.
Yes, sir.
So these lights are sick. So we're gonna brighten up this whole place. We got a bunch of lights over there. What kind of lights are we rocking?
They're LED high base.
Okay, I don't know what that means, but that means bright. Really, 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 really bright. That sounds so good, boys. I'm sorry I missed the cold storm. There's a lot of cold storms in the future, though. I promise you that. She is back to home, sweet home, and does she sound so good? Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to drive this car again. It was so terrifying last night. I'm kind of sort of scared to drive it. I mean, not really, but kind of, sort of, a little bit. Tyler was gonna put me at the controls of this scissor lift. We all know that's a bad idea, but we are gonna fly into the sky. Check this out. We need one of these. This is so cool to get the aerial coverage. I love the Aventura from the sky. And then of course we got the Bugatti. This is so sketchy. We're just like shaking and baking right now. Whoa, that's really cool. That's so sick. I need a loft here in the warehouse just for this shot. If I owned this warehouse, there's so many things that I would do to it. If you guys need an electrician, Charlie's the guy. It completely transformed this warehouse.
These cars look a lot better, don't they?
It's such a nicer environment, and like the gloss paint on the Aventura is just popping now. Look at the carbon. That is so good. Wheat Electric in the description below. Thanks, dude. I think we're gonna see Charlie soon on the house. We got some crazy light ideas.
Some cool ideas.
Yes, we do. I wish you guys could hear this Bugatti in person. It sounds so much better, and camera audio is just so incredibly difficult to capture. The biggest difference with the Rift exhaust is the power increase. We need to put this car on the dyno. I don't know if it's 8% or 10%, but think about that. 1,000 horsepower, 8% would be 80 extra horsepower. Unfortunately, it's raining right now, so we can't. It's probably for the best because otherwise we go to jail. Yeah, Rift exhaust. Check out the link to Rift in the description below, but as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.